So what kind of lessons, like how would you coach an artist that's trying to make that transition?
Make bodies and bodies of work. If you want to draw a cat, draw a cat. Draw 20 pictures of a cat, photograph them all well, burn them, throw them away, store them, give them to friends, doesn't matter. But it shows you made a body of work. The biggest mistake I see people making is not making cohesive bodies of work. They'll draw a cat, they'll draw an elephant, they'll go do a still life of something, then they'll make an abstract painting and then do 3 photo collages and they'll be like, come look at my new show. You walk in, it looks like 6 different artists made the show.
Right.
There's nothing cohesive about it, and it's hard to get behind an artist who doesn't know where they're going in their career. You always want to see an artist progress and change and build, but you want to be able to have some kind of connections between the paintings. If you want to go do a series on wildlife, go do a series on wildlife, but that either should all be collages or that should all be paintings, or
Right.
some of these are oil paintings and then some of these are oil with collage, whatever it is. I'm not the artist, I can't tell you, but it's building bodies of work and continuing to build bodies of work, not just building one and saying, okay, here I'm an artist. And then being patient, because it's an investment in yourself. You're probably not going to sell anything your first show. You're probably going to get, if you're famous on the street, you're going to get 500 or 1,000 kids to show up that want to see what you did on the street on a canvas. Most of them don't have any money to buy anything. They'll buy a t-shirt,
Right.
they'll buy a book, they'll buy a pin, but they're not going to buy a painting. They'll buy a poster. So it's not being discouraged, and it's saying, okay, what did I learn from this experience? How can I get better materials next time? Don't go to an art store and just buy some canvas that's on sale and, ooh, I found this found object, I'm going to paint on it. Care about your materials, care about how you are showing your work, and keep building bodies of work and documenting those bodies of work, and keep finding new and better places to show it.